Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 14. It is from chapter 3 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find some things for path D. Okay, we need to find the total distance traveled, and we need to find the magnitude and direction of displacement from start to finish. All right, so path D, let's see, I can highlight it. So first we're going down 2 blocks, then we are going over 6 blocks, then we are going up 4 blocks, and then we're going over 1 block. Okay, so part A, our distance traveled, we'll call it D. We are going to have, okay, so we've also got, each block is 120 meters. Okay, so we're going to have 120 meters times the 2 blocks down, plus 6 blocks east, plus 4 blocks north, plus 1 block west. And so that's going to be 120 meters times 13 blocks total. And that gives us a distance of 1560 meters. So that's the distance traveled. All right. And now we need to find the magnitude and direction of displacement. Okay, so let me put it in a different color. So we want this distance here. And so that's our x component and that's our y component. That's our right triangle. All right. And so part B, I'm going to say dx is going to be the 120 meters. This time we should have 5 blocks. And we do. So times 5 blocks. So the x component of path B is 600 meters. The y component of path D is going to be the 120 meters. And that is going up 2 blocks. So the y component of D is 240 meters. Okay, the magnitude of D is the square root of dx squared plus dy squared. So we're going to have 600 meters squared plus 240 meters squared. And so that gives us a displacement of 646 meters. And now we have our triangle like this. Here's D. That's our direction. Here's our dx. Here's our dy. If we take the tan of theta, we get the opposite dy over dx. Now we take the tan inverse of both sides. We get theta is the tan inverse of the y component over the x component. Okay, and so theta is the tan inverse of 240 meters over 600 meters. The units cancel, and we find theta is 21.8 degrees. So this one is our magnitude, the 646 meters. Theta is our direction, and that is for displacement. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.